We work as far into the future as our imaginations can take us.
You work on cars that are going to be on the road in 5 years' time, maybe 10 years' time.
What do people want that they don't have and can't get?
And you get to put your ideas and innovations into those cars.
It is a good thing to see one of your ideas drive down the road.
My name is Feiruz Jane Arabu.
My name is Sven Esselsberger.
Tyler Blake, I'm a designer here at Ford.
I am a color and materials designer for Ford Motor Company.
Here we're designing cars that could come out 3 to 12 years from now.
We're just teasing you a little bit. We just want to see, hey, do you guys like this?
We start with sketches and illustrations.
And think about ideas for what a car could be. We spend an entire year designing an idea, and then we build it, and it's a one of a kind. And if we get enough great feedback from people that say, that's so cool, why don't they build that? Well, then maybe we will.
This is called the Ford Reflex concept. It's basically a 3-seat sports car, hybrid power, diesel, and electric. It also uses a number of solar cells to power the rear wheels.
So this solar panel charges the batteries when the car is parked.
Basically, an exciting car where you didn't have to worry about polluting the environment.
The designer's job is to come up with a vision for the car, and we as engineers, we try to make that vision reality. We work together with the designer, we point out the problems and then work together on a solution.
We've got these butterfly doors.
Crazy idea in the Reflex was a door system. Instead of a normally opening vertically hinged door, we had this reverse butterfly door that opened up, actually like the wings of an insect.
We had to work with the engineer so that the door wouldn't crash into any glass as it opened.
And the designer knows, yep, I want a reverse butterfly door. How we make it work is the engineer's job.
You're a team. Everyone on that team wants to agree. We all want to love the project. And sometimes that takes some work and it takes a lot of time. Part of my responsibilities is actually to design color. We wanted the seats to be white, but there are a million different whites. Every single one of these have a number. LS005 is totally different than LS006. And red, this might have a little bit more blue in it. This red has a little bit more yellow in it. You could see these are darker and these are lighter. We really had to go through all of this since we put it all together and made sure it was perfect.
Geometry is a big element of design. Cars are made up of a lot of simple and complex shapes, including cubes, spheres, circles, trapezoids, triangles. And it's these shapes together that create car design. This is the original theme sketch for the Reflex. Cars generally look better when all the elements of the design relate in some way. Repetition of angles, symmetry, a lot of geometry has to come into play when we make things like this happen.
We use a lot of basic geometry. Here in the drawing we show all the basic building blocks of a car. Driver needs a steering wheel, we need the space for the engine, we've got an instrument panel, we've got the rear seat for the passengers, we've got a basic frame running under the car, holding all the components together.
Somebody designs everything that you're looking at in the room you're in right now. Look up at the ceiling, look at the walls. Someone designed your floor, the chair you're sitting on.
I would say the biggest challenges in my job is to find a good balance between the best engineering solution and still making an attractive car.
We really have to work through not only what looks cool, but does it make sense?
Working in car design is very team-oriented. You've got many talents working together at once.
One of the greatest things about my job is that I can have an opinion, and my opinion really matters. And I learn so much from other people's opinions. It's really fun.